Hi, my name is Delphine from Leicester Lost. I hope you're well. I've been traveling for many years and I'm always looking for ways to improve my packing. A few years ago I discovered packing cubes and my mind was blown. They are the best thing if you're looking to be better organized. Personally, I can never look back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use packing cubes for travel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and give me a like. That would be very helpful. Packing cubes are all the rage in travel gear today. Many travelers wonder what they did before they existed, including me. Basically, a packing cube is a lightweight, zipped up container designed to compartmentalize your stuff. They're meant to fit snugly in a suitcase, so you utilize the space as much as possible. Packing cubes compress your clothes in order to gain space. Now, there's an important distinction. Packing cubes compress your clothes to a degree, so you gain space. They are different, though, to compression cubes, which have an additional zipper in order to compress the clothes even further. Compression cubes are one step up from packing cubes, but you can do very, very well with just packing cubes. So how to choose packing cubes? One of the most basic consideration is the weight. They should be lightweight and packable. Packing cubes are designed to complement your packing, not add weight to it. So fabrics like polyester or nylon are all you need for packing cubes. Some packing cubes open all the way around with a zipper like mine. Some of them have a half opening or 3/4 opening. I like packing cubes to have a mesh on top so you can see what's inside, and they're also breathable. There's also a handle stitched to one of the sides for easy carrying. Finally, you need to pay attention to the zipper. It has to be, a minimum quality because a faulty zipper will render the packing cube completely unusable. I bought my packing cubes on Amazon and they came with solid stitching and a good zipper. I've used them for years now and I haven't had a single issue with them, even when they're quite full. Another consideration is size. I have 2 large packing cubes, 2 medium and 2 small ones. The large ones fit very well in the traditional suitcase. The medium ones are better for backpacks and curved luggage, like the Osprey pack that I have. Are packing cubes worth it? Yes, absolutely. They're relatively inexpensive, they're lightweight, they will change the way you pack and the way you travel. You will be a lot more organized and you don't need to spend too much money to get a few packing cubes and start packing better. Now that you know how to use packing cubes for travel, well, go travel. If you have any more tips on how to use packing cubes or any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.